Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be discussing the assumptions of law of demand. We have already discussed the concept of demand and law of demand. So it is very important to also know the assumptions of law of demand. Constant income, constant prices of other related commodities, constant taste and preferences, rationality of consumer. These all are there. These are always constant for a law of demand. But except for these, we also have some other important assumptions that we should know for law of demand. So the first assumption is consumer bias or illusion. So let's discuss what it actually is. So what happens is a customer or a consumer has this illusion in his mind that if the price of a commodity is higher, the quality would be good. But this is only an illusion because this does not hold true in each and every case, because it is not always true that if the price of the commodity is very high, the quality will also be very good. But the person already has this illusion in his mind that if the price is high, the quality would also be very high. So he ends up buying more of it, which is contrary to law of demand, because according to law of demand, if price of a commodity increases, the demand decreases. But in this case, as the price is high, the consumer ends up buying more of it, which is an exception to law of demand. So this was the first assumption of law of demand. So the next assumption that we will be discussing is conspicuous consumption. There are some goods that have status symbol, such as rare paintings, antiques, some precious stones, etc. Consumer buy these products because these products bring that consumer prestige. So, higher the price, more that person would tend to buy these commodities. Obviously, income not being an issue. So this also is an assumption to law of demand, because according to law of demand, if the price is higher, the demand tends to decrease. But in this case of conspicuous consumption, this does not hold. Hence, this is the second assumption that we just discussed. The third assumption that we will be discussing about the law of demand is speculation. So nowadays, as it is lockdown, you would be able to connect to this situation more and understand this assumption of law of demand much better. If the prices of the commodity are assumed to go up in future, then person would buy those products even today at rising prices, so that they can sell these products later at a higher price and earn profit. On the contrary, if the prices are expected to go down or reduce in future, the person not be willing to buy these products and commodities even at the falling prices or the lower prices. And by doing this, everyone is behaving against law of demand.